For Moraine Lake Park Canada Shuttle, first and foremost, create a GC key and you can set up this within no time. Once it is set up, any time in future you are using Parks Canada, everything will be at one place. You don't have to figure out every time. So if you don't know how to do that, it's simple step. I have made a video, you can go check that out. You will be able to do even without watching the video by yourself. Once you have GC key and you have logged in, you will come to this Parks Canada reservation page. The link will be there in the description, and here you see reservation, and I have selected day use shuttle to Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, Banff. So once you make that selection, you will see how quickly this place gets booked. So advanced planning and advanced booking is must. You select the date, whichever date you are looking for. Right now, because it's day use I have shown, it will only pick up one date. Come down and click on search. Then you come to this page, and here you see the legend. Anything which is shown in green is available, and you will see how quickly these have been booked. And this is last minute's departure, which you will not be able to book in advance. Even if you make a selection, it will not show up for you to reserve. These are the ones which you can select for reservation. So whichever day you choose, it has to be available like this. And if you see unavailable, you can just go to next and see where the dates are available. So any date which is of your choice, you pick up, you get this reserve button, and you see here ticket are for 1 hour window. You may show up anytime during the hour. Once at lake, you may stay as long as you choose and connect between Lake Louise and Moraine Lake on first come first serve basis via the lake connector shuttle. Your ticket include return shuttle service from either lake back to park and ride. So once you have gone through this, click reserve. You will come to this review reservation detail section where you reserve, and here you can go and do the edit in case you want to increase the party size and even the date. So once you have done this, a printed or downloaded copy of your reservation confirmation email is required, because cell service is limited at the park and ride, and you also need to carry a photo ID matching the name of reservation. So I'm sure you would be carrying this. Once you make this selection, all reservation details are correct. Come down, confirm reservation detail, shopping cart shows up, and here you will get to see how much you have to pay. Proceed to checkout, review policies. So once you make all the selections, confirm, acknowledgement. Here you get to see the account detail, which is your name, email address, phone number. In case you want to update, you can do this here. If everything is okay, keep as it is, because this is going to be validated against the ID proof what you will be producing. So confirm account detail, enter occupant detail. I will be the occupant or someone else will be the occupant. You make that selection. Then party size, you can still make any changes in case you want to. If not, confirm party information. Then you come to the payment section where you will have to use your credit card to enter the detail, and once you do the apply payment, you go through the last step of submission, after which you will get an email notification, and your reservation detail will also be seen on the Parks Canada website when you log in. So that way you have done with your reservation and you're all set to go and enjoy the place. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.